Primary School. It's Friday, August 10th, and yesterday was World Indigenous Day. Today is also Miss Cheese and Mr. Paul's birthday. I'm Amy.
And I'm Mina, and here are your morning announcements. This morning we will be having our first upper primary assembly during period 3 in the NPR for grade 2 to Studio 5.
This is a reminder about staircase use. Grade 3 and Studio 4, please use staircase A. The ones by the pool, KG and grade 2 use staircase B, grade 1 and Studio 5 staircase C.
This is a reminder that PTO Family Night will be on next Friday from 5:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Make sure you mark it on your calendars.
Joke of the day. Why are brain surgeons ambitious?
Why?
They want to get ahead.
Random fact of the day. 70% of all the world's spices come from India.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, the little things, the little moments, they aren't little. John Kabat-Zinn.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a fantastic Friday.
For peace and harmony.